Here's how to change the Apple ID on your iPhone. Now first, just head into the Settings app of your iPhone. And you're going to tap on your name at the very top here. You'll be able to see as you scroll down, you can see a sign out button. However, if it is grayed out, the reason it's grayed out is because there's an issue with your screen time. So if you do find that it's grayed out, let's hit the back arrow and then scroll down until we get to screen time and tap on that. Now we need to do two different things in here. One is tap on content and privacy restrictions and make sure to turn this off. Keep in mind there might be a passcode on here that was set up by a parent. If there is, you just need to enter it in to be able to disable that. The next thing we're going to do is hit change screen time passcode and hit turn off screen time passcode. Again, you might need to enter in that code when you do that. After you've done that, you should be able to go back and sign out. So let's go back to the very beginning. Tap on your name at the top, and you should see at the bottom the sign out button. However, first, before you go through this process, there are a couple different options. One is to tap on subscriptions here. And if you have any active subscriptions, if you sign out of your old Apple ID and create a new one or just sign into one that already exists, it could mess up these subscriptions. So you might want to tap on them and just go through the process of canceling those subscriptions first and then just reinitiating those after you've set up that new Apple ID. You might also want to just go back here and tap on sign in and security. And then from here, you'll be able to see at the very top are emails and phone numbers. Now, if you want the same Apple ID account, you just want a different email address used to sign in, all you need to do is hit add email or phone number, and then you can hit add an existing email address. Just enter in that email address here, and then you'll get that verification code sent to you. Essentially, you're just updating it to a new email address to sign into the existing Apple ID. This is helpful because you won't lose any of your content or your backups or your iCloud data or app subscriptions. However, if you completely wanted to sign out and you don't want to use this old Apple account, you can always just sign out and then sign into a new Apple ID account. To do that, we're going to scroll down and tap on sign out. You can see it says erase this iPhone after signing out. Keep in mind, if you're giving away or selling your iPhone, you want to hit yes, I do want to erase it. However, in my case, I'm going to hit sign out, but don't erase the phone. And it says to make signing in back faster, it'll include data that hasn't been synced. Anyone with access to this device may have all of this information, your health, passwords, etc. Just hit the continue button to continue to sign out of your account. And then you can just log into your new Apple ID account on this iPhone, and you will have switched from one account to a new one.